No nation can rise to the top unless its women are by its side. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. Expect the best, prepare for the worst. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. I am not going to respect gray hairs unless there is wisdom beneath them. Failure is a word unknown to me. My message to you all is of hope, courage, and confidence. Let us mobilize all our resources. My message to you all is of hope, courage, and confidence. Let us mobilize all our resources. If we want to make this great state of Pakistan happy and prosperous, we should wholly and solely concentrate on the well-being of the people. Character, courage, industry, and perseverance are the four pillars on which the whole edifice of human life can be built. There are two powers in the world, one is the sword and the other is the pen. We are now all Pakistanis. Religion should not be allowed to come into politics. Religion is merely a matter between man and God. With faith, discipline and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. That freedom can never be attained by a nation without suffering and sacrifice has been amply borne out by the recent tragic happenings in this subcontinent. We maintain and hold that Muslims and Hindus are two major nations by any definition or test of a nation. Do not forget that the armed forces are the servants of the people. Nations who love and sacrifice for their countries, find the honorable place in history. Think well before selecting your leader, and when you have selected him, follow him. But in case you find his policy detrimental to your interests, kick him out.